Number 500 to fucking jump in a tractor. Shouldn't be this fucking hard. Can I clip into your nipples?
Oh, I missed that one. Touch them together.
Fuck no.
It's not just no, it's fuck no. Because you're gonna fucking catch yourself on fire like a freaking retard.
He's scared. Look how scared he is.
It's not supposed to do this.
Well, what else is it?
Count 1, 2, 3 and just do it.
Ain't that easy.
Put some fucking gloves on and quit being a sissy. No pain, no gain.
Look.
Okay. Put my gloves on.
Come
How's it
on.
gonna fucking do you no good?
I was about to say, you did it over on the car and it sparked up a couple times. You're running my battery down. Hurry up.
There's something not hooked up right.
That's what I'm thinking.
Unless those gauges are too big.
Those are 12. The other one was a 16.
Maybe we need a 14.
Now touch them together.
He's got cloth gloves on. It's
Don't
not
matter.
gonna fucking make a difference.
You don't think so?
No, if anything, you're gonna catch them bitches on fire, you dumbass.
Oh, just put the fucking thing on, scary cat.
I did it, see?
Okay, try it again.
You know, put it on there and leave it on.
Yeah, stop jumping.
If it starts fucking smoking, you better yank that bitch out. Come on, I ain't got all day. Okay, it's gonna smoke, because it's not supposed to do that at all.
First winner champion, Gary Freeman. Second place winner.
Something wrong.
Your jumper cables are fucked up.